Alright, so I had to rush to do my makeup, so I'm probably a little crazy right now.
Nobody come on.
First of all, I need some air.
Wait.
I get around despite the loss. I'm over here, gotta get across. Whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us. And now you make.
Hey guys, I'm outside. I did my makeup. I got my outfit on. My what is that word I be saying? Shazam? What's that word I be? Oh,
the sky is on fire. The lake has turned to a golden sun. I'll never get tired. I just wanna dance, just wanna
run. We're having a nice little beach day. Have my bathing suit on. I know you guys seen this already, but this is my cover up. There goes Wayne. Say something, don't just smile at the camera. Me and my mom, my Madre. Is it me, Madre? Alright, gotta put my life jacket on. Babe is helping me. Practice the ground. Okay. Turn. He's trying to help make sure I'm straight. Isn't he cute? So we're getting ready to go on this boat ride. I'm so excited. I can't believe that we're on an island right now. We're like surrounded by water.
But I already played this, not interested. Open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadowing me, I want.
We're getting ready to go, what's that thing called? Banana? Banana what?
Why you don't never know what that is if you go on camera? It's, what is this?
We getting ready to,
There you go again.
go on the banana, like a banana thing.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3. It's recorded. It's recorded.
That's right. Let's go.
It's facing you.
Oh my God.
No, the other way. Turn it on. Turn it on. You want to do the other way.
He wants to see. He wants to fit you.
All right, yeah.
For a life check.
He wants you fit you.
Right underneath me. You get ready to go do the banana.
Okay, go ahead. Go do your thing, girl.
Get ready, y'all. We getting ready to go do the banana thing.
You're going to jet ski. Say you're going to jet ski.
Banana jet ski. Banana jet ski.
I'm going to watch your
See
feet.
it out there. See the banana? Watch my banana jet ski.
Take them glasses off, girl.
I think her head too big.
Can we tighten this hole up? I mean, loosen the hole up.
You gotta help him, Wayne. You gotta help him get
I
that.
can't get in the middle of that.
You gotta help him get
I'm
that.
going to get hurt. You need the whole team to help you out.
This is serious,
It's not my fault. Like, it's not.
Shelby.
It is your fault.
This is serious.
Her.
Micah, do you have anything to say about this situation?
Hers probably working now.
Okay, there's the money man. He's controlling the cash. This is our lifesaver. If anything goes wrong,
Y'all see me out over here. Y'all need to get up here with me.
how come it ain't?
I'm going to put it on.
Put it on.
Nate, oh my God, move, Brittany.
That's a break.
Boy, Nate, you look good.
You look stylish.
Excuse,
wait a minute.
excuse me, miss. I mean, sir. Is that the way you dress every day or just sometimes?
It just ties like this.
pound is gonna be open.
That's how people.
Oh, it ain't even a gown. It's a cover up. Nate said it ain't covering up nothing. Yours
We're having difficulty. Mine is on. Mine was on. They can't. I mean, he really still got
That thing get snagged somewhere when you go off.
It's not gonna get snagged nowhere.
How many people does it take to put a life jacket on?
The whole crew over there helping her.
You get?
Alright,
Let me see that.
I'm ready.
Wait. So he put his hand down when that water hit him. Oh man. Who's up front? Micah?
Micah.
Oh wait. Oh, they gonna turn over? Oh, they all. They all off. They all off. I hope they paid attention on how to get back on. You want to say any?
I broke a nail.
I said, look at him, boy.
Alright guys, I broke my nail. Wayne knocked everybody off. Brittany, how you feeling?
Like I need a shower.
Micah, how you feeling? Micah! She ain't paying attention. Look, my wig shifted. When I got on that thing, my wig was in the middle, now it's on the side. I'm just happy it didn't fall off. Whew, it's hot. Alright guys, that was it. We are now leaving.
Were you recording this with her? I didn't see you.
Yeah, I was.
Doing your job?
Yeah. Dude, my ears itching. We had a fun day. We are now leaving the island. What's the island's name? It's called 𝐶𝐭𝐬. We'll see you guys back in Lady. Hey guys, where are we?
You never know.
Jengai.
Malasarte.
Malasarte?
Malasarte.
We are at Malasarte.
Who's that?
I don't know. Just hi.
Oh, he's handling business.
Oh, is he peeing?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't pee on me. So we're at Belasarte.
She does not.
And this is the scene. We're up in the mountains right now, right?
Right.
Okay. And yeah, she never.
She free balls everything and it all comes out horrible. Then I gotta edit it.
Cute. It's just cute. And there's everybody over there.
Our driver's like, can we just go? What happened?
It's a mosquito. It's back there. You guys said that there was no mosquito. You guys said there was no mosquito. You're okay, sir.
Maybe when we open it here.
Okay. Look, I already got a big old bump on my side of my arm because I got bit last night from a huge mosquito. Yes, I did. The bump's on my arm. Guys.
Let it bite you. That way it'll stop falling out.
I'm sorry. I know the ladies. I know everything looks kind of like, you know, but
But I already played this, not interested. Open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadowing me, I one. Oh, the sky is on fire. The lake has turned to a golden sun. Oh, I'll never get tired. I just wanna dance, just wanna
so we getting like a massage, right? But I tell y'all this thing hurts.
I told you I'm ticklish.
I told you.
sorry, it's in there. It's in there. It's like trying to grab my spine.
I told you. That's what I told you. This thing hurts.
I give up. You giving your spot up? All right, lock my dad in like y'all locked it. Dad, you gotta take your watch off. You gotta take your watch off. Give it to.
Tickling my foot.
So this lady right here in the red, yo. She been following Wayne this whole time around the mall. Does she right here? Go talk to her. Go talk to her. Say hi, Wade. Talk to her. Say hi. This chick right here keep trying to talk to him, and she been following him.
Did they tell you what? I told them
Uncle Willie. She trying to talk to. Hey, that lady, yo. She keep trying to.
There's something wrong with her.
Something wrong with her?
Yeah, oh yeah.
What happened? Everybody okay? Yeah, so I accidentally
I saw her in the grocery
put some foundation right here.
Yeah, she was in the grocery store.
Oh my god, I didn't know that.
I thought she was trying to talk to Wayne. I'm like, look, honey, he's married. She probably going to get her car right now and follow us to the next mall.
You don't think so?
Yeah.
She probably thinks we're celebrities.
If I see her in this next mall, yo.
There's something wrong with her.
No, it's not my fault. She said she was on the bus. Did she not say that she was looking at her little iPad? No. When she was looking at her.
Everybody has their own pesos. I wanted her to have a little something of her own, so she don't have to keep saying, Daddy, can you buy me this? Daddy, can you buy me a lollipop? Daddy, don't disrupt me. Don't disrupt me. Let me hear me out. So I just wanted her to have at least 1,000 pesos of her own.
Okay, I want to shut up.
Let me finish.
If you want me to give you money too, I can get my camera down.
We
You know how I get down.
doing it. We paying all that.
But you know how I get down.
We paying for the boat.
You can say, girl, I'm going to hold you.
We taking care of the family. We paying like we pay for the van. She part of the family. We take care of her.
But they pay for the van?
Wait, y'all pay for the van?
Just now.
Wait,
Oh shit.
our family. So Wayne, you're not in that family?
No, y'all not in this family.
Okay, hold up now. I will always be a coolie. Okay, so okay, babe. I mean, no, babe. No, I'm still a Matthews, babe.
To shake hands.
Okay, everybody shake hands. Shake hands.
A little bit of money in it.
Got some pesos.
Alright guys, we are up at the top of the mountain and we are getting ready to go zip lining. I'm a little nervous.
Brittany, we went up here.
You guys ready to zip line?
We went up here too.
Guys, come on. I'm out of breath.
And your car is literally around the corner.
This is the most exercise that we had.
That's
That we had.
probably why we're in so much pain right now.
Woo! Okay.
All we did was eat.
So I'm very, very nervous about doing zip lining because we're so far up on the mountain and I'm out of breath and I don't have my hair tie. Guys, I hope I can survive this. Very nervous. So we have to go from here to all the way there. And it's like over 100 feet drop. I'm a little nervous here, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this.
No money.
I forgot. So we can't be over 300 pounds.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it's your 300 pounds.
I don't know. Just like I'm pretty much close. Shut up.
Oh wait, I told Wayne he could go first.
Oh, wait.
I'll never get tired. I just wanna dance. I just wanna dance.
that was an experience, guys.
That's cute. I don't like the Superman thing. Of course, I tried because I did really like it. And lots of people like, Superman thing.
If you're very adventurous.
Yeah, but I'm not. But
On our way back to the hotel. So we're finishing up our last couple days here in the Philippines, and then we will be heading over to our next adventure. But I need to get some food because I'm hungry and I'm thirsty. A little hot. It's actually not that bad today. I'm actually good. But I am definitely hungry right now.
An 8-year-old. I don't know what those things are.
Chicken nuggets.
Those grapes? What is that?
no, it's not grapes.
Chicken gizzards.
Big seeds beside just.
We'll make eye contact with
I'm not even looking.
We can't just close the curtain?
Yeah.
I hate the